Hello guys, today's day is 196 and again I come back front of you. Today we will be learn we will be learn that which kind of mistake I made, then those mistakes you should not make, because we should learn our mistake and other other mistake. If you are making some mistake, you are not making, it's already happened. But if something will be happen with you, then you should share with another people. Through your experience, they will not make that mistake. What mistake did you make? And if those people are making some mistake, then those people also share with you and share with us. Then this way we will grow in our life, because in this world nobody are perfect. Nobody are perfect. So just try to upgrade yourself every single day. If you are thinking in your mind, and if you thought in your mind that overnight result, it might be possible. You will have to learn little bit every single day. Then you will be grown your life. You will feel good. What you have today. If you are saying to yourself that I will do this thing, I will do that thing in my life, and what are you doing in present? What are you doing in present? And you are thinking I will do that thing. You might be do in your life, because last 4 year ago I had thought that I will be a start YouTube channel and I will be upload video. Sometime I upload 1 2 3 videos. Sometime I think 2022 in time was May. That time I tried upload. Sometime I was continue. I already open 1 2 2 to 3 channel, and I was not continue with them. That is the reason today I am here. If every single day, it is not matter for me and not matter for also us. If we are continue with you don't think that you will get early result. You have to wait, and you have to consistently work without any benefit, without any view. Then this way consistency is much more important in our life. Because if you think that you will learn English within 1 month, it might be possible. But if you will every single day you will practice, then definitely within 1 year 6 months you will be able to speak, you will be able to read. It means you will improve lots. I am not saying you will be become perfect, because nobody are perfect. Everyone, even the who is the who is the a specific person who learn this only this language, that person is also don't know all those things. So we can only upgrade ourselves. We can't say we will become perfect. It might be possible, but at least guys, if you are learning some language, if you are learn some other language, then just you 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 know that if you are able to convey your thought, if you can talk to with other person, and what are you saying, if the other person will be understand, it's okay. This is for communication. What is your purpose? Why do you want to learn this language? It is important. And why do you want to learn this language? Because everyone have different different type of goal. Some people want prepare English for interview. Some people are prepared on their English is not good, that's why some different type of goal, but English, learning English is the same way, guys. We can learn, we can learn which type we can learn easy. How we can learn easily this language? How we can learn easily this language? Because guys, what the people make mistake, what personally I'm going to share with you my own experience, guys. At least guys, sometime whenever I continue with this language, whenever I practice every single day, that time I'm feeling good. I think in my mind, I can speak English, I know English, how can I can create all those word in English. But when I live for like 1 2 3 4 days, 5 days, and 1 a week, after that I feel I'm nothing in English, I can't speak English. This type my mind say to me. But right now, guys, you can see, that's why, guys, continuously I will try. Already I told like several time, 10 to 20 time I told I will be upload. Sometime the lack of time, sometime I do this thing, that thing. But guys, I will try, at least I will try. I already I think last 1 year ago I told I will do this thing, I will do that thing, but nothing. After doing, I did for some time. After that, I just doing other thing. This is the reason. But right now, I will try. I will try to stay continue. I don't know I will be and what will happen with me, but at least I will try. And guys, if guys, then guys, practice is much more important. Every single day you need to practice, because guys, if you will be not practice every single day, you will leave those things. Because if you are think that one time I will read and I will be continue with this language, it is not possible. So we should stay continue. You need to practice, and you will have to practice. If you want, then you will have to practice. Without practicing, you can't learn. So you need to practice, and you will have to do practice, and gradually we will learn something. And if you don't know reading, if you are stuck sometime how to pronounce, how to read this word, that word, then you can, first of all, you should read a story. If you don't know how to read a story, if you are not able to read a story, then guys, you should read with first. The lots of YouTuber, they uploaded lots of video. First time they are reading the stories. Then when will you listen? When they read, will you listen, and you will see the word. That time you will see that which type they are pronunciation this word. And through this way you will be improve your reading. And guys, speaking, if you want to improve your speaking, then you should you you should record your video. Now everyone have phone, just started recording. Just you don't just you make like this. First you speak in say to your mind, you think in Hindi, then you translate in English, and you speak in English. This way you can improve, and this way you can improve, guys. This way you can improve. And guys, if you are making this type of content, you first of all you should record, guys. When will you record your video? After some days, like 1 month, 2 month, 6 month, 1 year. After 1 year, when will you see this video? That time you will be just you will be amazed to see your old video, that I was like that, and what I am today. And guys, that time you will feel so happy, because when we are improving something in our life, that time we are feeling good. We are feeling So we will feel so happy whenever we are improving something, and you will feel today I did something, and you will feel good कि today I achieved something in my life. And if every single day you will achieve something, then definitely your life will become good, and you will every single day you will feel good that I'm growing something, I'm doing something in my life this type. And if you will waste your time, that time you will feel regret, why I'm wasting, I don't know, you will feel lots of anxiety. And it's I'm saying guys, if you will not do anything first, you if you are trouble for your life, you are not feeling good in your life, then first you should make routine and work on that. You are stay busy, if you will stay busy then you will work that. Because guys, if you are thinking we can't change anything, because just I already waste many time to just thinking and just nothing doing. But right now guys, it's time to do something. So we need to do just try to stay busy. Sometimes practice these things, sometimes read those books, sometimes do this thing. And one thing I suggest you, you need to you need to do exercise every single day. If you will practice for 1 month, then time you will feel, wow, I said this thing. Then guys, bye bye, take care. I will meet you in next video.